This is Cosmopolitan living in the heart of Subiaco. You can live, work and play all in this wonderful precinct between Hood Street and Roydhouse Street. Grab your morning coffee from the end of the colonnade, or go for your morning swim or a workout in the gym. Everything is here with the full concierge service. Once you get into the apartment, you're instantly greeted with this great large living area that just opens up to the balcony. It all faces northeast, so you get beautiful morning and winter light. The living area is flanked by the 2 bedrooms, and both of them have their own bathroom. There's also a little laundry on the side too. This 4th floor apartment also has 2 side-by-side parking bays, a rarity in apartment living. This apartment is competitively priced and won't last long, so make sure you give me, Nick Holt, a call and have a look at this great 2x2x2 apartment.